Hi everyone, my name is Matt Cincerello, and I'm the owner and managing partner here at U-Nique Accounting. You can learn more about what we do by visiting our website, u-niqueaccounting.com. And while you're there, I recommend that you check out our blog and our free stuff page where you can download stuff like the top 10 cash flow mistakes that can cripple a business. And if you haven't watched our videos before and you're thinking,
wow, Matt, you just look really great and energetic today.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Also, if you're wondering what I'm drinking, today's beverage of choice is a bubbler antioxidant sparkling water. I've got a lemon lime flavor. If you notice, my cup is bearing the hashtag Make Today Count. This is a slogan for my Best Friends Foundation, which is a close and personal not-for-profit that I'm a board member of. And a link will be provided for a form you can fill out if you or someone you know is dealing with the impact of cancer in their life. So let's go ahead and jump into today's topic. Today's topic is it too late to switch accountants? So let me just give you a little background for some context. So for the longest time, business owners have typically switched their accounting relationships at two specific times in the year, right after tax season has ended or towards the end of the year before the next tax season starts. So why is this the case? Well, this is the case because business owners know that they need better help, so they have to switch before tax season is upon them to provide their new accountants enough time to do their taxes. Or if they forget to do the above, then they have to remember to do it right after the taxes are completed. And in the words of Admiral Akbar, it's a trap.
It's a trap!
Because business owners feel trapped during tax filing season because they don't want to be late on their taxes or they are unsure if the next accountant will be any better than their previous. Again, they know that their current accountant is not good enough, but they will continue to stay with them out of fear. So the question again is, can you switch right now? Is it too late? Well, I'll tell you with U-Nique that the answer is no. However, with the majority of accountants out there, I would agree with your fears and say, yes, it is too late. And here's why. It's because accountants are their own problem. The cause of this problem is that accountants love taxes just as much as they love making money. And for a profession that is focused on customer service, accountants sure as heck do seem to do a good job of doing the opposite for 4 months out of the year. Accountants want to do taxes for as many businesses and individuals as possible between the months of January and April. And this is because that they typically lose money the remaining months of the year. And this tax season money grab creates a few issues. It creates bottlenecks in their workflows, major bottlenecks. And it creates a very high client to employee ratio that results in slow and poor customer service, plus much more internal issues. So not a U-Nique. And while the rest of the accounting profession drowns during this time, we are blazing by in a speedboat. Except for 2 clients last year that suffered from major illnesses, we had 100% of all their clients' business taxes completed and ready to file by February 15th last year. We were done with the business tax filing season a whole month before the rest of the country. And the only reason why it wasn't faster is because the tax programs are not ready until end of January, early February, because they have to wait on finalization of tax forms. And here's a current example. This week, we just signed a new brewery client who during our proposal meeting asked the following question.
Now, Matt, given that it's almost the end of January, do you think that we'll be able to file on time with you if we make a switch by March 15th?
And my answer, March 15th, if you follow our onboarding process, we can have you up and running on our processes and have your taxes done in 2 weeks. Their response.
Wait, by switching, we can actually get our taxes done quicker than if we had stayed with our current accountant?
And my answer again, I can't speak for your current accountant, but I can speak for U-Nique and myself. Yes, we can. So how is this possible? So number 1 is our processes. We strategically designed our accounting and bookkeeping processes to streamline your weekly bookkeeping and monthly financials. And this in turn results in an efficient and, dare I say, zippy turnaround time on your taxes. And number 2 is the targeted clients for whom we serve. We only work with businesses who subscribe to our accounting and bookkeeping processes. And then we only file personal and business taxes for business clients mentioned above. No one else, period. And what this results in is a low and very manageable client to employee ratio that gives us no bottlenecks in our workflows. It gives us consistent and constant contact and communication with our clients and ensures that your current year accounting and bookkeeping never misses a beat while last year's taxes are being filed. Oh, and by the way, we also do financial analysis, help you analyze and acquire debt financing, and many other CFO services. So right now, you're probably thinking to yourself, Sounds too good to be true. How do I know you are for real? Well, how's 140% year-over-year growth for 2022 sound? And just in January alone, we grew another 20%. While the rest of the world is pausing their sales process, we're speeding it up. Join the revolution of business owners who are fed up with the old and are embracing the new. What have you got to lose? So thanks for listening. If you appreciate our advice and content, please remember to like our video and subscribe to our channel for future content. Until then, remember, don't conform, stay unique.